guys, isisingit ko lang yung na-review ko from ASOS kasi parang na-scam ako kasi Jeshie Urs here again and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very short lang kasi which is unboxing and review of the ASOS. So, binili ko siya last week and then I got it right now. This one actually is a summer dress. Well, it's not summer dress which is I can use also in the autumn time, in the winter time kasi mostly of them is a dress and the price right now is very cheap. And it's kind of 80% kasi nabili ko lang siya ng 50 kroner and the other is 60 kroner. And yes, mostly of them is 50 kroner pero maliit lang siya. Actually, 4 items lang siya and then most of them is a dress. So here, as you can see, this kind of brand or ASOS is very popular here and around here in Europe. So it's very cheap. It's right here. Actually, some of the dress I have is from ASOS. So, yung iba, which is 34 yung size ko, yung iba malaki sa akin. So, this time, we will try again. Kasi parang nag-gain ako ng weight. And then, as you know, we can return naman here in Denmark. Yes. This is the other one. So, I think this is the dress, which is I will wear also, but I will insert na lang kung ano ang mga, ayan, uy, ito maganda siya. Bet ko talaga siya sa ganito kasi parang naghahanap talaga ako ng ganito pero longer or yung mahaba-haba sa akin. Ayan, yan, ang ganito. So, I will try this one. So, yung tela naman nito is parang silk siya, ayan. Parang, liwanag. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yung ano niya, which is, ano bang brand ito? Size 34. Bershka. Ayan. So, now let's try to another box. Another here. So, ito naman, I thought talaga nasa box siya. Ayan. So, it's good for winter. And, I like the green. Light green siya or yellow green. So, I think I say already from my last vlog na right now, parang gusto ko talaga yung mga, yung mga purple, green. So, this one I can try. It's good, no? Malambot din siya. I'm size 37. Ayan. Medyo maliit siya. Ayan. Pinabagito talaga. Medyo maliit siya sa akin. Parang medyo maskip siya. So, I will return this one probably. So this one 50 kroner. So it's only 50 kroner. So well, I can return this one kasi medyo masikip siya and I don't want to waste my money even it's 50 kroner. So actually worth it siya for the price but hindi siya kasya ng paa ko. Move on muna sa another piece. So I have more 3 pieces. So, ito naman, nabili ko lang siya ng 49. Kaya ko siya binili for my New Year. So, advance na kasi if bibili kayo next month, we never know kasi nag-i-increase naman lagi sila, lalo na kailangan ng mga tao ng mga polka dots. So, and also next month, I know it's very cheap kasi nga Black Friday. So, malapit na ang Black Friday month. Oh, actually, okay yung tela niya, which is parang hindi siya cotton, hindi din siya silk. Ayan siya. Parang, pero maganda siya. It's really good for summer. ASOS design. Made in Romania. So, parang wala siyang belt. Kasi may belt siya sa picture. Pero, I will try this one. And if I can try this one, sabihin ko siya kung i-return ko siya or hindi. Kasi, as far as I know, may belt siya sa picture. Ito naman, yung the next naman is yung ito. Ayan. Ito, parang ano siya, good siya for autumn and winter. Kasi maganda yung outlook niya. Ayan siya. Ito yung outlook niya. Pero parang ano siya, masakto lang siya. Pero we'll see. Ito naman. The last is ito. So, basa ko siya review na ang tela daw nito is pangit, but we will try. So, okay naman yung tela. Para siyang silk. Ito yung design niya. But we'll try lang kung kasya sa akin. So, let's try! So here guys, I'm back and I'm wearing one of them. So, as you can see earlier na medyo yung iba okay, yung iba is parang ano lang siya sa katawan ko. So, i-return ko siya. Ito yung puti, which is for polka dot, nasabi kong pang New Year, which is not fit to me kasi wala akong dibdib. Charot. Oo, maluwang siya dito and yun nga, ito yung pinakamura, pero ito yung pangit. So, hindi ibig sabihin na mura, which is fit sa'yo. So, ayan nga. So, isasauli ko siya kasi malaki talaga yung ano niya dito. Ayan. And hindi talaga siya fit sa akin. Parang ew talaga siya. And also, i-return ko din itong sandals. So, actually, maganda siya, fit, kaso medyo masikip siya sa akin. So, I will return these two. And the rest naman, which is fit to me, yan, hindi ko pa siya na, ano, ayan, isa, at saka ito. And yung black, ito, from Bershka, ayan. So far, okay naman siya. Ang may bigay ko lang na tip, hindi porket sale sila is fit sa inyo, pero the good things is, pwede mo namang i-return, and then, of course, hindi naman din siya hassle na i-return nyo yung items. Pero, dito kasi sa Denmark, allow na mag-return. Ibabalik din nila yung pera. At madali lang din. So, try and try lang. And then, sa ASOS naman, madaming sale. Try lang and return and until you find yung gusto mo. So, okay guys, so this is my end of my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And do comment also. I will tell you very soon na may mga giveaways ako. Keep watching guys! Hi guys, isisingit ko lang yung na-review ko from ASOS kasi parang na-scam ako kasi as you know, bumili ako ng mga bagong damit which is online. And I think some of them, so I order 5 pieces. So, yung tatlo, walang brand. And yung nakuha ko din, parang yung dalawa lang may tag. So, the rest is wala na. And then, parang iba din siya kasi ito. Normally kasi, pag nagdi-deliver sila, may extra papel sila or level na pwede mo siyang i-return. So, I will check online kung tatanggapin ba nila. Parang, ang pangit kasi na yung binibigay nilang damit, which is walang tag. So, yung brand naman ng mga damit is yung ASOS design. So, yung the rest, yung dalawa, yung from Bershka, at saka yung ito, may tag siya. So, the rest, wala na. So, bad shopping this time sa ASOS. Yung dalawa naman dito is ikikip ko, pero I will try to return kasi parang pangit siya sa akin na walang tag. Parang hindi ko siya bet na walang tag pag ganon. Kasi syempre, kahit tayo bumibili, always may tag. And then, first time ko din na-experience na nakatanggap ng ganito na walang return level. Kasi normally may return level talaga. So, it's a bad for ASOS right now. So, hindi ko siya recommended. And maybe this is my last try to buy an ASOS. So, parang hindi talaga siya nag-ano siya sa akin. Even though na mumurahin lang yung binili ko this time, pero parang bad talaga siya. Parang hindi ko siya recommended right now. So, galit siya.